Hello, nurses who are planning to work in the UK. There's some very good news that has come out today. This is the OET Media Release. And what it is saying is that the NMC, the Nursing and Midwifery Council in the UK, no longer requires you to achieve a B in your writing subtest. You can actually achieve a C+ and still register as a nurse in the UK. However, you still need to get Bs across listening, reading, and speaking. Now, importantly, this change will come into effect from the 28th of January 2020. And it says here, quote, OET results achieved during the previous 2 years that meet the new requirements, that is, you've got a C+ and not a B, will also be considered by the regulator. So that's a little bit ambiguous. I don't know if it's 100% sure whether you can use your prior results, but that's pretty exciting as well. Anyway, this is great news because no longer do you need to achieve that B. You can get the equivalent of an IELTS 6.5 now. So if you do need to prepare for your OET test for registration in the UK, you can go to e2language.com and sign up for free, including lots of practice questions and live classes and much, much more. Anyway, congratulations.